Hello dear children, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, thank you. Welcome to eSuvidya. So students, already we have read something about the topic Mahagiri, the kind elephant. Today we will learn theme discussion, fill the gap, reference, matching and comprehension question answer discussion. So students, now the theme. The theme of the SGB3 is how Mahagiri saved the life of a kitten and fixed the flagpole at last. So students, really Mahagiri was a kind elephant. The villagers realized why the elephant had not obeyed the Mahout's orders. From that day, Mahagiri became the villagers' favorite elephant and children's best friend. So students, today theme this much. Let's do. Question 1. Read the paragraph 4 and fill the gap reference. Mahagiri was now dash. He dash to the hole and went down on his four legs. He put his dash trunk into the hole and gently does up a kitten. The little cat had been just in the hole. The people had been just all this. So students, read the paragraph 4. Let's fill. Mahagiri was now dash. It is from your text. The answer is unknown. He dashed to the hole and went down on his forelegs. He moved. Answer, moved. He moved to the hole and went down on his forelegs. He put his dash trunk into the hole. What will be the answer? He put his long long trunk into the hole and gently dash up a kitten. Picked up a kitten. The little cat had been dashed in the hole. The answer is hiding. Hiding in the hole. The people had been dashed all this. The answer is watching. Noted, children? So students, now question 2. Match A and B with their meanings. In A, Mahut ordered, frightened, obeyed. In column B, commanded, the person who drives the person who drives and trains elephants. Elephants. Wagged as per instructions. Afraid of. Let's match, students. What is the meaning of Mahut? The person who drives and trains elephants. We have to match it. Now ordered. What is the meaning of ordered? Commanded. We have to match it. Now frightened. What is the meaning of frightened? Afraid of. We have to match it. Now what is the meaning of obeyed? Worked as per instructions. The last one. We have to match it. Note it, children. Now question number 3. Answer the comprehension questions. in A did Mahagiri fix the pole? Answer: yes, Mahagiri fix the pole himself at last. At last. In B, why were the villagers angry? Answer: the villagers were angry because Mahagiri would not move the Mahout shouted and the Mahout shouted and screamed at it. Now in C, what did they do? Answer: they shouted at the So students, note all these. So students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.